Today the market continues to correct, but we see some very interesting reactions which are actually quite promising. So in today's video, we are going to identify the market's main turning points so that we can answer some questions such as, will it fall further? Is this just another dead cat bounce? Will we be able to actually reverse this bearish sentiment for real? Well, let's take a look. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel, where you receive daily analysis without bias, panic, or emotions. Here we analyze the market as it is and seek to develop practical strategies aimed at maximizing profits and minimizing losses. Here we work with consistency and serenity. My name is Nathan. Welcome to another daily analysis video. Now, as far as I know, SPY is still in bearish territory, and you may ask, why, Nathan? Why we are in bearish territory? Because we lost the 21-day EMA, the exponential moving average on the daily chart, which is right now pointing downwards. By the way, we lost the previous support level at 598, and of course, we lost the $600 key point, a psychological key point, which was indeed a very important one. As we can see over here, a previous top level here, support level here, top here, support here, support here, support here, support here again. So this entire area near the $600, it is a quite emblematic, important key point, inflection point for the SPY. So by losing all of these support levels, SPY is right now in bearish territory. Now you may say, okay, Nathan, we are in bearish territory, but apparently we are trying to react over here today, right? Yes, you are totally right, because we see a nice intraday reaction right after reaching our support level at $590, which we have been talking about here in this channel for a few weeks now. So this key point is a very important one. If SPY is about to truly react, now would be the perfect time to do so. What's the problem? The problem is that all the previous support levels like 21-day EMA, 598, $600, these key points are now our next resistance levels. So it seems SPY making such reaction today is still not enough. We gotta see SPY breaking and preferably closing above all these key points on the daily chart in order to enter in bullish territory again. All right, only then we are going to see a real meaningful bullish continuation chart structure. So far, yes, as far as I know, any bounce to the 598, to the $600, or maybe even to the 21-day EMA, any bounce to one of these resistance levels could be just another dead cat bounce. All right, so for now, it all depends on how the SPY is going to react here in this area, which is better seen on the 1-hour chart, right? If we see an actual breakout of this red area over here, yes, we are going to technically reverse this short-term bearish sentiment, suggesting a continuation of the bullish bias observed on the daily chart, because yes, on the daily chart, although we are in bearish territory, we are still maintaining the long-term, the medium-term bullish bias over here, okay? So there is still time for us to see a meaningful reaction, but again, it is very important for the SPY to maintain its price above our next resistance levels, preferably the $600, okay? We gotta break the $600 as soon as possible in order to materialize another meaningful bullish reaction. All right, so far, okay, we are struggling around a support level. That's fine, that's totally expected, all right? Technically acceptable. Now, it all depends on how we are going to react near this area if SPY actually enters this area again, all right? It all depends on the direction of the next breakout. Conversely, Conversely, okay, Nathan, but what if we lose the 590s over here? In this case, we are going to technically trigger a sharper correction, maybe on the weekly chart, all right? Because on the weekly chart, the 590s is not only it is not the only support level we see over here. We also see the 21 weekly moving average. We see this purple trend line over here, which is here since October 2023, right? So there are a few other support levels holding SPY's price. If we see SPY losing all of these key points, all right, 575, okay, that's going to be our next technical target. And this is what I see for the SPY right here, right now. Let's see how it is going to react tomorrow. The QQQ is a little bit more bearish because the size of the shadow, the size of the wick below the candlestick's body is not that great. We see a huge body over here, and it is still another bearish candle. Okay, so we are just giving continuity to the bearish sentiment. I know, we just reached a crystal clear support level near the 511, all right, but the QQQ deserves a better, meaningful bullish reaction before we can say that we are going to find a bottom signal over here, okay? So far, there is no bottom signal, all right? If you ask me, the SPY is slightly more promising than the QQQ, but still, if we see a bullish reaction above the 511, great. Fantastic. That's one of the best places for us to see a bullish reaction. But so far, there is no such thing, all right? Remember, trading is reactive. It is not predictive. If we see a crystal clear bullish reaction suggesting a bottom signal near the 511, near this support level, all right, QQQ will possibly be a buy. SPY could be a buy as well, all right, because we could easily break the $600 resistance level again in this context. So we could see many other stocks making bottom signals as well. But guys, with the information we have right here, right now, today, we have yet to see more confirmation. Again, we gotta see the SPY breaking its resistance levels, and we gotta see the QQQ making a clear bullish reaction above this support level. Then we can buy, because remember, buy near support levels. Sell near resistance levels. You buy when it is dropping, when you see an actual confirmation of a bottom signal. That's how we do here in this channel. Okay, so let's just wait for more confirmation on the indices. Now, Nvidia, this one is quite problematic because it is also dropping. This one lost the 21-day EMA as well. Right now, we lost important support levels like the 130s support level over here, the 129. We are clearly dropping. There is not a single bullish reaction suggesting a recovery or a bounce here on Nvidia. What's more, it is going to report earnings tomorrow, so the volatility will increase a lot this Friday. Therefore, I'm so sorry, this Wednesday. I'm so sorry, which day is today? Today is Tuesday, right? So Wednesday, Thursday, all right? So Thursday, we are going to see a quite high volatility over here. Therefore, we gotta be very careful. Again, for swing trading purposes, I never advise you guys to hold any stock during earnings because anything could happen, all right? Nvidia could explode, Nvidia could collapse over here again. Now, for swing trading purposes, what we are looking for right here, right now, we are looking for another collapse back to the 115s, okay, back to this yellow area down here. If we see Nvidia collapsing to this support area, that would be phenomenal, because as far as I know, any bullish reaction near this yellow area could be just another very good buying opportunity, just like we actually did over here. We at the 5% project, we bought Nvidia down here, okay, and we sold over here. Now, if we see Nvidia collapsing again, that would be fantastic. fantastic, all right? Fantastic. Maybe we're gonna see another incredible buying opportunity. Now you may ask, okay, Nathan, but what if we see Nvidia exploding? If we see Nvidia exploding, we have a major resistance level at 142. All right, if we stay above the 142, okay, we're gonna continue going up. Nvidia will perform very nicely. That's very good for long-term positions because, speaking for myself, I'm also a long-term investor here on Nvidia since 2020. So I will just hold my shares normally, all right, just like I have been doing for nearly 5 years. Totally fine, all right. But if we see Nvidia making a top signal, a sign of a top, losing momentum below the 142 resistance level, that could be an opportunity to short or maybe to sell. But so far, guys, so far we don't know, all right? So far it is too soon to tell. For now, we gotta wait for the next steps. We gotta wait for the next few days for Nvidia's volatility to stabilize again so we can nail either a very good bottom or a very good top. We don't know yet, so let's see. Now, Tesla. This one is clearly losing momentum, and it is one of the many examples that I always give you guys over here of the importance of setting stop losses. All right, because I told you guys, Tesla is giving us a buy signal over here, okay? And it did, went up a little bit, but right now we are collapsing before reaching our target. Yesterday, Tesla hit our stop loss at $326, was a very small, insignificant loss compared to what we were willing to gain if this trade went right. But guys, risk reward ratio, okay? Every single time you lose money in this market, you need to lose a little bit, okay? If you're gonna make money, you will always try to maximize your profits as much as you can. That's how you trade strategically, all right? Using good risk reward ratio. And right now Tesla hit our stop loss. Okay, right now it is still dropping. Imagine if we were still in Tesla, our loss would be way bigger than, well, we were willing to risk in the first place. So that's why I always tell you guys, know where your stop loss, know where your target are going to be even before you place the trade. Every single trade we do together, we always know these key points beforehand, all right? I always know where my target is, where my stop loss will be, because again, we trade strategically, all right? Following good risk management, mitigating our losses, maximizing our profits. That's how you achieve consistency. And remember, if you want to trade with me and have access to our swing trading signals, you can learn to trade with us in practice by joining the 5% project. Our members have access to various trading strategies and signals, as well as learning to trade in practice in real time with us. Because we are a skin in the game community focused on teaching our members to trade with a clear strategy and consistency. To top it off, we offer a 7-day free trial just so you can see for yourself what it's like. We perform very well, which is why we are offering a trial period. We have confidence in our method. So find out more by checking out our website. The link is in this video's description. It's right here below in this video's description, all right? So just join us over there, see for yourself, because yes, we nail very good signals, we nail very good trades, and guys, sometimes we make money, sometimes we lose. Our win ratio is around 70%, all right? So there will be times when we're gonna face some losses, but this is not a problem at all, because again, we work with a clear strategy, mitigating losses while maximizing returns, all right? That's the secret of consistently making profits in this market. Now, again, Tesla dropping, losing our support level. Okay, as far as I know, we are very close. I'm so sorry, today Today's low was 297, so apparently we are struggling to break the $300 support level, which is not a technical support level, but it is a psychological key point for the market, all right? It all depends on how it is going to react near this $300 support level. If we see a meaningful bullish reaction, okay, maybe we're gonna see a bottom signal in this area. Maybe Tesla will finally recover, seek higher levels, maybe the 21-day EMA again, but remember, Tesla is still in bearish territory. As long as we stay below the 21-day EMA, as long as we keep doing lower highs, lower lows, right? We are not going to recover. We are not going to reverse. Can we take advantage of a bounce for swing trading purposes? Yes, of course we can. But so far, there is no reversal yet. All right, let's see how Tesla will behave tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be very interesting for Tesla, and the AMD, just like Tesla, is doing lower highs, lower lows. All right, we do not see higher highs, higher lows. We only see lower highs, lower lows. Right now, we are losing the previous low, the previous support level around 106, and this only reinforces our idea that yes, AMD is heading towards the $100, which is also another psychological key point for this stock. Now, $100, if we see AMD making a miraculous reaction above this key point, fantastic. Maybe we're gonna reverse this bearish sentiment. Maybe we're gonna seek higher levels. We have many open gaps above the price, right? These gaps, they're all going to work as future targets if we see an actual reversal here on AMD. But right now, guys, there is no reversal, okay? There is not a single bottom signal yet. If we see AMD tomorrow making a miraculous reaction, closing above the 106, okay, that's gonna be very interesting. But for now, there is no meaningful bottom signal here yet. All right, AMD is one of the stocks that I always keep on my radar, but it is not reacting, so we can't buy it, okay? Oh, but Nathan, can we sell AMD? Well, I feel quite uncomfortable in selling, in shorting stocks while the indices are maintaining their long-term uptrends. Okay, so this is the only reason I rarely share short signals on our Telegram channel, right? Rarely do that. So as long as you see the indices maintaining their uptrends, okay, short positions are not going to be our first choices, all right? That's the only reason. Now, Palantir, this one lost the $100, lost the 21-day EMA. We are, to me, apparently, we are going to close this gap over here, all right? Around $84, I'm so sorry, and 25 cents, 84.25. That's our next major support level on Palantir. If Palantir closes this gap and we see a very nice bullish reaction in the next few days, fantastic. That could be a bottom signal. That could be even a buy signal. It is too soon to tell, but it could be. So it is very important for us to maintain this key support level in mind, all right? Any bullish reaction over here could be a very interesting bottom signal. And this is why I always tell you guys, it is very important for us to stay calm, to keep calm and watch how the market is behaving right here, right now. Because if you panic when stocks are dropping, you are taking, you will probably you are going to sell your shares to the smart money who's going to buy near support levels. Okay, so this is why I always tell you guys to never panic, all right? Trading is not supposed to be stressful. Trading is supposed to be natural. It is supposed to be reactive, not predictive. So we always work with a crystal clear strategy. And guys, again, why do we like to buy near support levels so much? Because the risk reward ratio is optimized. Even if we are wrong, and we all could be wrong anytime, we are going to lose little money. Okay, if we are right, we are going to nail a very nice bottom signal Possibly, and possibly Palantir will seek its all-time high again, but so far, okay, let's just wait for more confirmation. Let's just wait for another meaningful bullish chart structure. No need to rush ourselves over here. No need to try to predict the future. Nathan, what if Palantir? I'm so sorry. Did I say AMD over here by accident? Palantir. If Palantir misses the $84, all right, $72 is going to be our next technical support level. All right, and this is it for Palantir. Now, ARM Holdings, I love ARM Holdings. It is behaving very well over here, but this one deserves a better, meaningful bullish reaction over here. So far, again, there is no meaningful bullish reaction. ARM Holdings is still dropping. We do not see any bottom signal. Yes, I know we are just around the 134. Yes, we are, but there is no bottom signal yet. If we see one, great. If we don't, the $123 is going to be our next technical support level. All right, and this is it. Very simple situation. Regarding MicroStrategy, guys, Bitcoin, MicroStrategy, these stocks, these assets are still collapsing. There is not a single bottom signal. There is not a single meaningful bullish reaction suggesting that MicroStrategy could reverse or bounce from here. Now, what it takes for this one to materialize a nice bounce in your opinion, Nathan? Guys, first, it is very important for you to subscribe. If you are still watching this video and you are not a subscriber, dude, it's too late, all right? You did enjoy the content, you do like this channel, you do like technical analysis, so you are the kind of person I would like to keep close to me, all right? So join our community. You are more than welcome to join the Finance Hydra channel, and remember to click the like button, okay? The like is very, very important, so click the like button to support this humble community over here. I highly appreciate your audience, my dear friends. Now, secondly, it is very important for MicroStrategy to break and close above this resistance level, this previous support level, now resistance level, breaking and closing above the 285. Okay, I know we are quite far away from this key point, right? I mean, nearly 14%, but that's what we have right here, right now. This only happens because MicroStrategy is a very volatile stock, all right? So it is totally normal to see these movements, these requirements, all right? So 285, that's the most important inflection point for MicroStrategy. If we see any bounce to this area, it could be just another short-term dead cat bounce, all right? So we gotta see a very nice, nearly miraculous bullish reaction closing above these resistance levels again, so we can see MicroStrategy actually reversing this bearish sentiment. It is not going to be easy. Now you may say, but Nathan, what if MicroStrategy fails to react? Guys, our next support level is around $183. Okay, that's our next technical support level. So yes, MicroStrategy could correct more 27% before reaching our next technical support area. So we gotta be very careful over here. I do not advise trading MicroStrategy right here, right now, but depending on how it reacts in the next few days, it could be a very promising stock. I will monitor it very closely. So remember to join the 5% project to get access to our strategies, to our trading signals. Join the Finance Hydra channel, subscribe. Thank you for your audience, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye-bye.